Joe here, welcome to a technical analysis request video on Shiba Inu. We're looking at the SHIB token on this one. So I do have to be primarily bearish on this one on the high time frame because of what the chart is telling me. So primary expectation is I can see a potential five-way moves down from the all-time high, which was back in October 21. And at the moment, the chart only looks like it has completed a three-wave rally up. So if that is the case, we would be expecting a pullback and a potential move to lower lows on SHIB on the higher time frames. That is what the chart is telling me on the macro bearish scenario. And the reason I'm leaning towards that zero bias is just that the RSI is very historically a good indicator on SHIB, as we can see. High RSI here right at the top, and then move back down again. Here we're seeing a correction down again. High RSI, price moves down. High RSI, price moves down, and again RSI at the extremes where we are now. We'd have to expect the price to move down, potentially in a bearish scenario from there. And also with again from the top to where we are now, got lower in the price action, higher in the RSI. So again, some hidden bearish divergence there, kind of again leading me to believe that SHIB may be macro bearish and potentially may not see a new all-time high. Now that does of course change the actual bullish count, is that this could just be a macro ABC. That one is also possible, and in the bullish scenario, then we potentially completed this B wave down in the summer of 23 down in June here, and we are on that move to a new all-time high on Shiba Inu. And I think if that case plays out, again, this is my secondary expectation, not primary. Primary remains bearish from what I'm seeing, but this is wave count is still technically possible. That I think that it's possible that the wave 3 has just completed, and we may have be starting a wave 4 before getting some kind of reversal again to the upside to complete this move. And I think if this bullish scenario is playing out on SHIB, I expect it to play out pretty fast, and it will possibly have to link in, but not definitely, but with another high on Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin's currently pulling back at time of recording, although it on the lower time frames, again, we're seeing a little bit of a rally getting back above 70,000. So if Bitcoin sets one more high, maybe that could be the push for SHIB to complete this macro ABC. Now, areas, key levels on SHIB, right now we're around one, time recording 0.00003010. So I think the 402884 is a key level, again, coming in with a lot of previous price action, especially in 2022, and now we're kind of retesting those levels. We broke through, but then we've seen a lot of sell-off, which again came in with that potential ABC move. So hitting key fib levels there now at sort of previous candle levels, kind of looking to hold support above this 2884. If we can get to a new yearly high, first of all, again, we should probably attack these highs in November 21, which will come in around about 5362, and then next logical area of resistance will be the previous high. For SHIB to remain bullish for me, last line of defense is going to be around about 1818. Lose that level, then I do think lower lows are probably programmed on SHIB. And again, if you're looking at that potential bullish scenario to play out on the lower time frames, we may just be looking for that fourth wave to come in, which could just be this three-wave ABC correction. I think that again is the logical one in the bullish scenario. And key level of support again will be around about 2270. And right now, kind of DCA hodl buy zone available to members. We had SHIB just wick into that, just above now. Again, none of this is financial advice, this video. There's no guarantees, of course, in these markets, but we had around about 2800 to 1700 as a fair value buy zone for SHIB on the lower time frames if you are looking to get, again, a move to the upside and dollar cost average a position. So SHIB, not really an ideal one for myself personally. I am macro bearish on this again, just because of, again, this first chart looks like what is potentially playing out to me. That's primary expectation. Of course, this can all change very quickly if we get a move above sort of 5000. That will change the situation here. We'll have to kind of reassess this one, but at the minute, those RSI indicators are leading me to be bearish on this one. That concludes my TA on SHIB. Thanks for watching.